This was really bad, so beware. This is the Jesse's Cooking Show.
Today we're going to be using the Jilly John mandolin slicer. You can buy this on Amazon.com.
And then we're gonna be using these. Okay, there's a cat down there that gets on our nerves. Okay, so yeah. So we have like a bunch of these things. I don't know what they're really called. They're like peppers and stuff. Like I don't really know what these are. Like, what are these? What are these? I don't know what these are.
These are bell peppers. These are fake jalapenos, and these are sweet bananas.
Fake. These are fake. They're not even real. You can't even eat them. I don't know why we're doing this. But look at this cat. World's cutest animal. And we don't know if it's a girl or a boy, so we just call it Cat. Guys, we really don't know.
First thing we're going to do is take the end off this tomato.
Okay, so show them how it's done.
So we took the end off the tomato.
So you take it.
Now we're going to use the Jilly John slicer and see if we can make some nice slices. Okay, well it didn't work. So we won't be using the Jilly John slicer.
Okay, that was my fail. We thought that would work. So it just ruined the whole tomato.
No, it didn't ruin it. It made a little slice.
Look at this great, amazing slice.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take time out.
Here it goes.
Oh, come get the cat out from underneath my feet. I don't know what I did to him. I'm afraid to look.
This is our new cooking show, and we just got done laughing about the funny thing that just happened about the cat. So we deleted that one video because it was so stupid. So yeah, we got done chopping up all this. Aluminum. I love aluminum foil. Don't you guys?
No, you let me
Oh,
have
and also I chopped up a little bit of the cat in here. But it's fine, you know.
Alright, see, look, I got our...
Okay, well, it's okay. You don't have to explain.
Got our We Love USA glasses.
You done your eggs yet? They're not going to be...
Beautiful.
You done your eggs?
No,
What you been doing?
trying to keep the cat from getting killed by two people that don't pay attention.
You stepped on the cat.
Onion.
Okay. This cat is tortured by us. Ow! You clawed me in the no-no spot.
No.
It's okay. Ow!
Jillian, that is not the least bit
Do
necessary.
not claw me. It hurts when you claw me.
Well, put it down.
Go, bye-bye.
Put the
Good.
cat
God.
down.
Go, cat.
Move away from the cat.
We have cat issues.
No, we have Jillian issues.
Okay, yeah. So I'm taller than Papa, so, you know, it's all good. Ooh, butter. I love butter. I hate butter, actually. That's a fun fact about the Jillian Cooking Show. Should we actually make a cooking show? Should we? Should we actually?
I think we better.
Look in the camera.
think
Look
we
at your
better-
double chin.
You know, making fun of people on TV
I
will get you a
wasn't
lot of
trying.
haters. Okay?
What a hater. No, but look, it's funny. Look, you see? Man up. Big. Yeah, you gotta stand up really tall and make pride. 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 But don't joke, I have double chin too, so it's all good. Everybody has double chins. So it's okay. Wow! We hear that I'm lost. Oh my gosh, look at this cat. He's in the purse again. Woo! What are you doing in the purse? What? Come here. It's okay.
It's probably just trying to get away from you.
No, it's trying to get away from him. Look, Papa, look at yourself. It's you that she's trying to get away from.
I don't care. I'm trying to get away from
Should it be Rip or Bubbles? Bubbles.
Oh, I know what I love.
We shall clip my lip. So this is how it's gonna go. Wait, let's have Cardi B nails. Wait.
Let's get over.
Here's Lolo, you know her from the cat incident. She had to come save the cat because he had to go to the emergency room. So it's all good. I'm a mess. I'm full of it. Ow! Stop. No. Where's this cat going? There's the cat down there. But we're gonna go find Papa. Hey Papa, your cooking show misses you. The cooking show misses you.
Y'all know I gotta go fill the grill.
Oh, the
We're
grill.
prepping the grill.
Prepping the grill. So this is what you do to prep. We'll see you later. Okay, so we're back. It's been like 30 minutes or so. So what are we doing?
Well, we've defrosted the burger where we can make patties now. We'll be making some hamburger patties.
So explain to them what you're doing.
Making hamburger patties
How are you doing that?
with my hands.
And what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
What is what?
That you're molding.
It's a hamburger.
You gotta
I think
explain
this
to
is
them.
for special ed class. Or what?
Stop.
One of y'all is as bad as the other one right now, I tell you.
Papa.
Making me
We're gonna make this into a big, like a whole thing to stick together, and we're gonna put it on the TV. So you better be waiting. Okay, what was that? Nobody knows. So this is our new class. So what is this? How many are those?
We're gonna have, I guess 6 will be enough, won't it, Lori?
There's gonna be 85 people at this party.
Hamburgers.
You like my new face?
Yeah, 6 hamburgers will be enough, won't it?
Okay.
Me and you, John, Josh, Angie, Granddad, and Clara will eat little pieces off of whatever, so. But you're fixing
I'll fix it.
hamburgers, brats,
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
hamburgers, sausages, and hot dogs, so, yeah.
Papa, what's this?
I don't know.
For anything? I'm a pizza guy, okay? So this is the Mexicano. Guys, This is like their little learning class.
Here, come here and help me.
Okay, so we need to go back to this.
Open those.
So listen to the ASMR. Ooh, that was nice. Okay, listen to this one. That was nice. ASMR. Okay, what?
No. Come on. Give me some cheddar.
I fucked up.
Open these 2 cheddars.
Cheddars? What are cheddars?
Over here. Open 2 of these. Right here.
I have one right here.
That's Gouda.
Well, what's good?
It's a different kind of cheese.
So you want me to open this one too?
I want 2 Goudas and 2 cheddars open.
Ooh, that was nice. ASMR. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
He dropped a bologna. I mean, he dropped some meat. Bologna. Okay, where do I put the Gouda?
Lay it there. There you go.
Okay, listen to the ASMR. Ooh. Okay. it was satisfying. So nobody knows what satisfying is or ASMR, so it's okay. Yeah. Listen to this. Yeah. Okay, so this is not the Gouda. This is for the bologna ham and cheese turd. Is this for the bologna turd ham Caesar sandwich? Huh?
It's for the hamburger.
Nobody understands what we say because we have a different
Nobody
language.
understands what you say.
No, nobody understands what we say.
What you say.
Because this is our cooking show and nobody understands what we do. Okay.
That's nice.
What is this? That smells like turds.
Shh.
It stinks.
Language.
Language.
Or girl. Not say.
Okay, that was funny. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna jump on his back.
No, we're not going to jump on his back.
Okay, so let's go see what's updated with the cat.
Cat is laying down, minding its business, being good.
And where is she? Wherever she wants to be, because that's what we do!
You need to go put your shoes on and go run around the house a couple times or something.
Okay, let's do that, guys. So listen up. We're gonna do something. So this is what we do. We get our shoes on, check.
We go outside and run around the house.
No, we get our shoes on, and we do a house tour. Everybody knows what our house looks like. So we walk. We're gonna discover things. So I wonder where this cat is. Cat is over there, taking a nap. So Gouda. What's Gouda cheese? Okay, we're gonna keep our shoes on because. So let's get a new angle, okay? So we're gonna show them what Papa does in his kitchen. So we're gonna cut because we need to, because it's gonna be too long for everybody to watch at this party today. So bye. I'm horrible at this. I have the hiccups now. So Papa, what is that you have in your cup?
Water.
Okay.
I heard you talking to me on the phone earlier.
Huh?
I heard you talking something about
Tea.
somebody doing YouTube.
Oh,
So this is our like fourth episode.
Oh, Pete, quit following me.
So we're gonna go see what Papa's doing.
No, you're not. Come up with some pictures.
You are going to be? Okay. Oh goodness. It's feisty. Go to sleep, baby. It's okay. So there's Papa. He's going pee. So I'm gonna go in here. Let me set up the camera like right here. And we're gonna see his reaction when he walks out. And I'm gonna record it. Phones. Okay, I think when it comes out, I'm gonna hide in here. Okay. That's like a complete fail. Papa's trying to scare you. There he goes. He's turned into like a little.
That was close.
I almost fell down. Okay. Oh. No, I had a heart attack. Okay. So this is gonna be like a 1,000,000 hour long video, but it's turned into not a cooking show. It's turned into like a vlog, a video thingy. You know, like people do on YouTube. So.